Time to make myself look a little less ugly. Welcome back. Today I am going to be doing a video on the Orangey Glad palette that ColourPop just brought out. Literally my neighbours being so loud, that's so rude. Okay. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup look using a box. No. I'm going to be using... Okay, first of all, can we just talk about the summer packaging that ColourPop's got going on? I don't know if it's just for this palette because I don't order from ColourPop that much, but I'm going to be using the Orangey Glad palette. Look at it, look at it. I posted photos of it on my Instagram. So this is the Orangey Glad palette. I also love the shade names for this palette. I still haven't taken the protective screen off the palette. This is what the palette looks like. I don't know if it's meant to smell like anything. I don't know if it's meant to smell like anything. I don't think it is. I wish it smelled like oranges though. That'd be cool. This, oh my god. I'm definitely using that shade today. Please just ignore my extremely loud neighbours. It's literally like this every day. I cannot wait to move. So first I thought I could pamper myself. I'm gonna do a face mask. This is literally just one I bought from Kmart. It's a pink clay mask. I love how it says it's like paraben free, but then literally the ingredients are like all these chemicals. Massage into dry skin. Oh, I don't really have dry skin. It's a bit oily actually. Oops, got the wrong mask. Leave and relax for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. Oh shit. Should I be doing a close-up of this? You can't even see. Oh my god, I'm already making a mess. This smells like something, but I can't think of what it smells like. I probably should like get a mirror because I'm gonna need it later. So this is legit gonna do nothing for my skin. Just because it's literally a Kmart face mask. Don't know how much it's gonna do. We'll see. I could be completely wrong. It could be the best face mask I've ever used in my life. Okay, it literally just looks like I've been sunburnt. Cool. Oh wait, I need to put a timer on. What are they doing all those Instagram videos? Oh my god! We got my kitten. Oh, and there's me watching the SpongeBob movie. Nice. Oh, okay, ignore my face, that's ugly, but look at my kitten. See, he never sits on me like this anymore. He literally hates me. He is literally the grumpiest old man of a cat ever. Is that my skin or is that the mask? Nope, that's my skin. Cool. Okay, sweet. That did nothing for my skin. It feels really oily and gross, so there's that. Oh, it's literally left like the grossest film on my skin and my top lip is like burning. Now I'm gonna go in with my Napoleon Perdis primer. This is the Autopilot primer. It smells amazing. Okay, now what are we gonna do? Cry, probably. Oh, I didn't get my eyebrow stuff. Literally, I'm such a mess today. I'm just going in with my Anastasia Dip Brow in the shade Soft Brown. So I just did my eyebrows and my eyeshadow base. I'm going to go in to the Gorgeous Cosmetics palette. and just use these two shades to set down that base. Okay, I don't know why my nose is so red, so just ignore that. I think it's finally time I take the plastic off. That was so satisfying, and literally I'm gonna, oh, Inception. Well, I'm probably gonna get this mirror dirty straight away. Cool. Okay, so I think the first shade I'm gonna go in with, literally dirty. I think I'll start off with Creamsicle just as a transition shade. It looks kind of dark. Also, I'm just going in with this blending brush. It's the GE3 crease brush from Glam by Manicure. Oh, she is pigmented, so I'm just going to go in with that as a bit of a transition shade. Did you hear that? That was my stomach. I'm just going to go in with the shade Sunkissed, and I'm just going to blend that out. I've never really done orange eyeshadow looks before, so this is really exciting. I'm just going to go in with this shade right here called Mimosa Mammy. Maybe that sounds better in an American accent.
Mimosa Mommy?
I think that just sounds really weird in an Aussie accent. Just going in with this shade, and I'm just going to pack it just in the outer and inner corners. Next, I'm just going to go in with the Rimmel Match Perfection Concealer in the shade 10 Porcelain, and because I'm wearing a white shirt, I'm not going to put it on the back of my hand just in case, because knowing me, I will get it everywhere and then I will never be able to wear the shirt again, and that'll make me sad because I really like the shirt. The sun's coming back out.
That's a lot of information to get in 30 seconds.
So I'm just going to cut my crease. I'm going to do a halo eye, even though I'm not good at these, but I think that would look really cute with this look. We're gonna try. Before I mess that up, I'm gonna go in with this shade. You know, the shade I really wanted to use. It's called Clementine. Oh my god, like Clementine from The Walking Dead. I'm just gonna go in with, oh my god, I don't want to ruin it. Okay, I'm just gonna go in with my finger. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh my god, that is stunning though. Can you see that? Whoa. I'm just gonna go back in to the shade, I'm just gonna call it Mimosa from now on, and just going to pack it on the inner and outer corners again. I'm just gonna do the same on the other side and then I will come back. Just gonna go in with the, oh, apparently not, okay. Just gonna go into the Rimmel Wake Me Up mascara. For lashes, I'm just going in with the Ardell Faux Mink Wispies. Yeah, I'm just going to do this off camera and then I will come back. Ooh, ee, ooh, ah, ah, ding, dang, walla, walla, bing, bang. Ooh, ee, ooh, ah, ah, ding, dang, walla, walla, bing, bang. Why do I have that song stuck in my head? For foundation, I'm just going in with the Rimmel Match Perfection in the shade 1 Fair Porcelain. Next, I'm just going to go in with the Rimmel Match Perfection Concealer. I'm just going to go in into my loose powder and set my face. Now I'm just going to go into the Cheek Leaders palette from Benefit, and I'm just going to use the Hoola bronzer to contour my face. No! No!
And then I will never be able to wear the shirt again. And that'll make me sad because I really like the shirt.
Oh. Just going to go in with that loose powder and clean up the edges. Next, I'm just going to go in with the Coralista blush and the Gold Rush blush. Just going to mix them together and pop them on my cheeks. And just a little on my nose, like a true Visco girl.
Not that I'm one of those.
And then for highlight, of course, I'm going in to the Cookie highlighter. It's my favorite highlighter at the moment. Okay, I'm just gonna wipe off that bake. I'm just gonna go back into the Orangey Glad palette, and I'm just gonna go in with Mimosa Mammy and put that all the way from outer corner to inner corner on my lower lash line. Then I'm just going to go back in with the Cookie highlighter and just put a bit on my inner corners. Then I'm just going to go in with the Elizabeth Arden Grand Entrance mascara and put that on my lower lash line. For my lips, I'm going to use my all-time favorite lip combo. First, I'm going to go in to this matte lipstick, what's it called? Powder About It lipstick from Sports Girl in the shade Moon Dancer. It's my all-time favorite lipstick, just in general, ever. I'm not using a lip liner because I kind of just can't be bothered, so there's that. And just because on its own I think that's a bit too intense for this look, I'm going to go in to the Australis Velour Lips Matte Lip Cream in the shade Honolulu. I think that name is so cute. And last but not least, I'm just going to set my face with the Mario Badescu spray. This is just the Aloe Herbs and Rose Water one. Well, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also follow me on Instagram because I'll be posting photos of this look. I hope you have a fabulous day and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Oh, that was crackly.